since we've started with Appliance Repair Marketing about a month ago, we've gotten substantial volume in new calls. A lot of brand new cash calls, between 4 and 6 extra calls a day. So much that we've actually hired on a new technician to just help us with those extra calls that we've been getting. Um, what a great thing about them as well is there's so much involved from the very beginning. Very customer service oriented, and just very helpful with the entire process. I mean, just by coming on board with them, we've just completely have grown so much, and our phones continue to ring every day, and their portal is just so easy to use. I can't say enough good things about them. I mean, the guys over there at Appliance Repair Marketing are just great people, and they're very honest. So I'm sure that anybody who signs up or thinking about signing up, you should definitely hop on board. It will do great wonders for your business.